everybody, my name is Alicia. In this lesson, we're going to look at how to give your phone number in Japanese. Let's get started. Okay, first let's look at the vocabulary for this lesson. For this lesson, the vocabulary words are numbers. Let's go one by one. First, we have zero, zero. In Japanese, we can say zero, zero. You might also hear some people say maru for this, which refers to a circle, but you can use zero. It's very easy to remember for English speakers, I think. Next is number one, ichi, 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 one. Two is ni, ni. Three is sam, sam, san, sam, three. Four is yon, 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 yon. Five is go, go. Six is roku, roku. Seven is nana, nana. Eight is hachi, hachi. And nine is kyu, kyu. So you might know a couple other words for numbers, like with 4 or 7, but when you're giving your phone number, you need to use these vocabulary words. So next we're going to look at a dialogue that uses these numbers to give your phone number. Okay, let's take a look at the dialogue for this lesson. First we have this question. 電話番号は何番ですか? 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 Which means, what's your phone number? 電話番号は何番ですか? The response here is, 私の電話番号は070-0999-4198です。So again, 私の電話番号は070-0999-4198です。Which means, my phone number is 070-0999-4198. Let's look at some more examples. Okay, let's take a look at some example responses that use this pattern. First example sentence here. 私の電話番号は070-0529-4888です。私の電話番号は070-0529-4888です。Which means, my phone number is 070-0529-4888. Let's go to the next example. 私の電話番号は080-0788-7587です。Once more. 私の電話番号は080-0788-7587です。Which means, my phone number is 080-0788-7587. This part, at native speed, might sound something like 私の電話番号は something 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 です。Okay, so now let's look at the basic pattern that you can use to express your own phone number in Japanese. Okay, let's take a look at the basic pattern you can use to express your own phone number in Japanese. It's 私の電話番号は phone number です。私の電話番号は phone number です。Let's break this down. 私の means my. 電話番号 phone number. は which marks our topic. Then we have phone number and this at the end, meaning is. So this makes my phone number is phone number. 私の電話番号は phone number です。Okay, let's cover one quick cultural point related to giving your phone number. When you give your phone number, or when someone else gives their phone number, you might hear no being used. These dashes in the phone number are sometimes read as no. They kind of help the listener understand where the spaces between the numbers are. So if you hear no used when someone gives you their phone number, that's what this means.
Do you remember how to say 0? 0 0 and how to say 1? 1 1 Do you remember how to say 2? 2 2 and how to say 3? 3 3 Do you remember how to say 4? 4 4 and how to say 5? 5 5 Do you remember how to say 6? 6 6 and how to say 7? 7 7 Do you remember how to say 8? 8 8 and how to say 9? 9 9 Do you remember how to say phone number? 電話番号電話番号 and how to say my? 私の私の Do you remember how to say my phone number? 私の電話番号私の電話番号 and how to say my phone number is 070-0999-4198私の電話番号は 070-0999-4198 です。私の電話番号は 070-0999-4198 です。
Great! So in this lesson, you learned how to give your phone number in Japanese with a basic pattern, and you learned the vocabulary words you need to do so. That means we covered all the numbers you need to give your phone number in Japanese. I hope that you enjoyed this lesson. Thanks very much for watching. My name is Alicia, and I will see you again on JapanesePod101.com. Bye! Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.